everybody. As you can see, I already poured my white paint onto the canvas. And I did that in the last few videos. Let me know what you think. I know it alleviates some kind of boring time as I'm pouring and tilting. So let me know if you think it's a good idea if I pour the white beforehand. I would love to know your opinions on that. I am using the same colors I used in my last video, the one with the airbrush. They are the ARTEZA pouring acrylics. Got neon pink, ultramarine blue, lemon yellow, and forest green. And I'm using the same stamper that I used on my last stamp technique. And this is my third pour of the day, so I have a lot of white paint in my tray, and I think I'm going to use that to my advantage. I want to get it all stamped out, but I'd love to be able to tilt it. I'd love to be able to have enough paint to be able to tilt. So I'm actually, let's see, dipped it in the white first. Should have opened these first. And I'm gonna do, let's see what happens if I do a puddle on here. Very pretty. I'm gonna wipe this off and start new, which is what I learned last time. But even if you don't think you need to wipe it off, wipe it off. And I'm gonna redip it in the white and start again. See what happens if I start to tilt. Oh my gosh, my stomach's growling. I hope you can't hear that. Mama needs to eat. Ooh, it's pretty. I'm smiling right now. I know you can't see me, but I just think it looks way cool. It doesn't look like the stamp technique, but what a cool way to get the colors on there how I wanted them. And I told you at the beginning I wanted to tilt, and I got plenty of room for tilting. I'm gonna wipe off the stamper thing again. Can't believe this cardboard has held up through now 2 paintings. I really like it. I love this bit. Oh, this one makes me happy. I like it. I love that forest green color. Check it out. This part is so neat. Those are pretty colors. Very happy with it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.